After 3 days of straight testimony, it was up to one judge. The decision on whether Farmers Branch officer Michael Dunn is guilty of murder or not. The case centers around an officer-involved shooting in June 2019. Farmers Branch Police Department was tracking a stolen truck tied to 35-year-old Juan Moreno. In courtroom 203, videos replayed. Dunn pulled up, going in for the arrest when Moreno peeled out in a white truck. Footage shows what happened in seconds.
It's a life and death decision made in literally just a couple of seconds.
Dunn's attorneys, Toby Shook and Dan Haygood.
5.1 seconds from the time the truck takes off to the time it crashes, 5.1 seconds. And a man has to make a decision about his life or his death in 5.1 seconds, or less than that, actually.
With no body camera footage, they put Dunn on the stand. The public hearing from him for the first time. Dunn stated, "I immediately was scared for my life. I felt like where I was standing at that point, on my left side driver door, I was directly in the path of Mr. Moreno." Ultimately,
the state asked for the judge trial, and we agreed.
Judge Michael Snipes found Dunn not guilty of murder. When we asked for an interview, but words weren't needed to see his relief.
Imagine being under a murder indictment for 4.5 years. The stress, the anxiety, the worry. It's got to be such a huge relief for him.
As for Moreno's family, they left with no comment. Dallas County Criminal District Attorney John Cruzo said in a statement, "My team has worked diligently on this case since 2019, and we presented all of the evidence we had. We will respect the judge's decision just as we would a jury." The criminal trial is over, but Dunn still has a federal civil trial ahead. And in Farmers Branch, an internal investigation will resume to determine if Dunn will be back patrolling the streets. In Dallas County, I'm Tiffany Liu.